Hey there, future grammar superstars. Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for an exciting adventure into the world of words? Today, we're going to unlock the magical secrets of three tiny but super important words: a, an, and the. These little guys are called articles, and they are everywhere. Learning how to use them correctly will make your sentences sound amazing. So grab your thinking caps and let's get ready for some fun. First up, let's talk about our friends, a and an. They are called indefinite articles. That's a big word, but it just means they talk about one thing in a general way, not a specific one. Imagine you're in a pet store. If you say, "I want a puppy," you mean you want any puppy, not a particular one. See? Simple. So when do we use a and when do we use an? It's all about the sound. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. What are consonants? They're letters like B, C, D, F, G, and so on. For example, we say a cat, a book, and a big red ball. The words cat, book, and ball all start with consonant sounds. Now, an is special. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we say an apple, an elephant, and an orange. The words apple, elephant, and orange all start with those yummy vowel sounds. It helps the words flow nicely when you say them. Try it. An apple sounds smoother than an apple, right? But wait, there's a little trick. It's all about the sound, not just the letter. For example, the word hour starts with the letter H, which is a consonant, but the H is silent. The word sounds like hour, which starts with a vowel sound. So we say an hour. Tricky, huh? The same thing happens with the word uniform. It starts with the vowel U, but it sounds like uniform, which is a consonant sound. So we say a uniform. Always trust your ears. All right, time for a quick quiz. Are you ready? I'll say a word, and you shout out if you should use a or an. Ready? First word, igloo. What do you think? If you said an igloo, you're a genius. Igloo starts with an I sound. Next one, car. Easy peasy. That's right, a car. Car starts with a C sound. Last one, a tricky one. Honest person. Did you say an honest person? Amazing. The H in honest is silent. You guys are getting so good at this. Now, let's meet the king of articles. The is called the definite article. This means it talks about one specific thing that we already know about. Let's go back to that pet store. If you point to a fluffy white puppy and say, "I want the puppy," you're talking about that one specific puppy. Not just any puppy. We use the when we're talking about something that's one of a kind, like the sun or the moon. There's only one sun in our sky. We also use the when we've already mentioned something. For example, I saw a cat in the garden. The cat was chasing a butterfly. First, we say a cat because it's the first time we're talking about it. Then we say the cat because now we know exactly which cat we mean. It's the one in the garden. Let's practice with the. Imagine this story. Once upon a time, there was a princess who lived in a castle. The castle was huge, and the princess was very kind. We say a princess and a castle the first time. Then we switch to the princess and the castle, because we're talking about the specific ones from our story. It's like putting a spotlight on them. Are you ready to put it all together? Let's play a fun game called Complete the Story. I'll start a sentence with a blank, and you have to fill it in with a, an, or the. Ready? Here we go. Yesterday, I found Hamri a scraytan little kitten under my porch. What goes in the blank? Yes, a little kitten. Great job. Now let's continue. Kitten was gray with white paws. You got it. The kitten. Because now we're talking about the specific kitten we found. Let's try another one. I ate a Thai apple for my snack today. It was best apple I've ever had. What's the first one? An apple. Perfect. And the second one? The best apple. We use the here because best makes it specific. It's that one particular amazing apple. You are all article masters. Okay, let's level up with one final challenge. I'm going to show you a picture and tell a short story about it. Your job is to listen for a, an, and the, and see if you can spot why I used each one. Look at this picture. It's a beautiful park. There is a big tree in the middle of the park. An owl is sleeping on one of the branches. The owl looks very wise. Did you catch them all? We said, a big tree, because it's one of many. We said, an owl because owl starts with a vowel sound. And we said, the park, and the owl, because we are referring to the specific ones in our picture and story. Wow, you all did an incredible job today on our article adventure. You learned about a and an for general things, and the for specific things. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to notice these little words when you're reading your favorite books or listening to stories. You'll start to see them everywhere. Keep up the fantastic work, and you'll be a grammar pro in no time. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I had so much fun. If you enjoyed our article adventure, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next fun learning video. See you next time, Grammar Superstars. Bye-bye.